Hello children, in this video we'll see what are the mistakes we usually do in our program. Okay, so first mistake is we'll use the command alert, alert, space, without giving space we'll type hi, but it will give the answer. There's no mistake. Even if you do not give space between the command and the double quotes, it will take it. Okay, you can see the color, because here we have double quotes. This will separate your content with the command, so no problem. But if you do not give double quotes at the end, if you run the program, you will not get the answer. So this mistake we usually do. Okay, so here at the end I am giving double quotes, but here if I am not giving it, alert, space, hi, but it is not starting with double quotes. So the color is not changed here. See here, HAI, it has to be changed to orange color, but it is not changed. So if you run the program, you will not get the result. Okay, so this double quotes has to be given in both the ends of the content. Got it? Then spelling is ALERT. If you change the letter ALERT, it will not give you the result. So the command spelling is ALERT, alert. Right? This mistake we usually do. Second one is we'll use the variable. So for example, I equal to welcome. Okay. Here also we'll miss the double quotes sometimes. Then we'll use the alert message, ALERT, alert, I. It will not give the result for both the answers because there is some mistake. See, actually in the second line this alert has to be changed to violet color, but it is still in orange color. What does it mean? The value for the variable I is not entered. So it has to be changed, double quotes has to be ended. Now you see, alert I is changed to violet color. Now if you run the program, you will get the answer. Hi, welcome. Okay. Then another mistake what we usually do is j equal to world. It has to be given like this, but by mistake we'll forget to give equal to sign, right? So here for first one hi will display, welcome will display, but j, now I'm giving alert j. No answer for j. There is no mistake, but equal to sign is not given. So alert message does not take the value for j, but it displaying the answers for first two alert commands. Okay, so this equal to is must. Now if you run the program, hi, welcome, world. Got it, children? Okay. But at the same time, we try to give two variables at the same time, right? So same, world, hello, world, okay. In the next sentence, we like to give both I and j together. I space J. Only for I, it will display the answer. For I and J, no answer. So alert command will take only one variable at a time. Okay. So to display J, we have to give separately. Hi, hello, world. So these are the common mistakes we usually do. So this double quotes, equal to sign, this alert with different variables has to be given clearly, and the spellings has to be given clearly. Okay. Sometimes we'll do another mistake. See, for example, MESSAG. I'm using the word message as variable. Save earth. Right? In alert, what is the variable I used here? Message. But next one, spelling MESAGE. I'm using wrong spelling here. Will it give me the answer? For first one, hi, welcome, world. Where is save earth? Because the spelling is wrong. Message. Now if you run hi, welcome, world, save earth. So the words spellings are very, very important because we are instructing the computer. So computer cannot think on its own. It cannot adjust. Okay. So we have to give the instructions clearly. Got it, children? Okay. When you work out, please keep all these points in mind. Okay. You will not get the result. It will not show any error message. It will not show where the error is. But we only have to find the error. Got it, children? Okay. Thank you.